Hi, my name is Liam Conroy. I am a teacher at Hope Street Charter Academy. Our Charter Academy is an alternative high school, so we have many students who are there for different reasons, basically, where they don't function as easily in a very large classroom setting. So we provide really small classroom sizes to be able to address certain issues that are harder for larger high schools to address. The classes that I teach there are science classes, so I cover zoology, ecology. I cover environmental science as well as horticulture. As far as technology strengths and weaknesses, I find myself to be slightly more tech savvy than some of my peers at my school just because I'm a little bit younger than some of them and I've been a little bit more accustomed to technology. I was a little bit familiar with the Google Suite before coming into our school district, and we are a one-to-one program, so we use Chromebooks quite a bit and the Google Suite quite a bit. However, there is some technology that is new to the classroom setting that I'm not used to from my time in high school. In particular, Promethean boards are probably my largest weakness. So I'm still trying to get a handle on that, but I love trying to incorporate things as digitally as possible. Um, Interestingly, I've found that there are a lot of students who still prefer to read and write things on hard copies, which is fine. I like providing that if there is an opportunity for that, but I like to try and incorporate as much into Google Classroom so things are very organized and it's easier for students to find what they're looking for. Beyond what I've already mentioned, I'm not actually 100% sure what digital tools that I have access to. With my job as a science teacher, some things are a little bit more computer intensive than others. For instance, we recently picked up a piece of equipment that helps with registering the amount of electricity produced by wind turbines for the Kid Wind competition that takes place here, not only in Kansas but nationwide. So our kids often participate in that, and so we had to work with programs via the computer that also work with that device. But beyond that, I haven't experienced a lot of the other technology that's available to my department or anything else that the district provides that I'm not already aware of. I know other people within our building tend to work with more digital media resources, especially in terms of the art department or the business department, but in the science department, I'm still kind of getting my feet wet in terms of figuring out what sorts of digital tools I actually have access to. All of that being said, I'm hoping to learn a little bit more about technology integration. I know that it's been reiterated to us in the in the transition to teaching program many times how important technology integration is as we move forward, and we're not sure what technology our students are going to be facing in the future. So I do think that it is important to incorporate it into lesson plans. I'm interested to see what more I can help incorporate into classrooms to better prepare our students to the future. Looking forward to working with everyone. Thank you for your time.